Hi everyone, it's Wendy from Wendy's Art. I know it's been a while. I haven't made any videos or been in the art studio for quite a long time. Just getting over some health issues, but I'm starting to feel a lot better at the moment. And so hopefully I can keep getting up here every day. I've been up for the last 2 days and started a little abstract place, little series of abstract paintings done on Multimedia Artboard. So I hope you follow along with those. I'm up to the 3rd one today. I have been posting the 1st one and the 2nd one. Today's one is based on a nature theme, so I've got some lovely nature colours in the golden high flow acrylics. I've got some actual Banksia leaves from our Banksia plant, which might make a nice little interesting background. And I'll be using the Derwent aquatones, probably some pastel cubes and a little bit of Liquitex spray to go around the Banksia leaves. A couple of stencils here, some of my old favourites. And what I'll do is, as we go forward, I won't be talking and I'll speed it up so it's not taking too long. So I hope you enjoy it and leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.